remove the wings from the Elite Facer. We flip it over to this side, unlatch the hook, and you'll depress. There are 3 locations for each side. You'll depress these tabs inward with a needle nose pliers. And the wing comes out. To put the new wing in, you insert it into the same slot that you removed the old wing from, and you press the tabs down, which is basically this flatbed. And it's in. Now we're going to show you how to remove the front fence on the Elite Facer. The first thing you need to do is open the front facer up. So we're going to depress this button, and that releases the slide, and that will then expose the 3 screws that you need to remove to get the front fence off. So there's 1, there's 2, there's 3, and then the front fence comes off.
This is the Carlson Airflow Elite Self Facer, LED on the bottom with the wire. There's a spool on the bottom that allows you to take out or coil up as much wire as you need to install. Once you have the desired amount of wire, you can simply drop it right on the grid and plug it in.